好啦 B26 嘅位置啦，26年15條題目啦，佢就話咧邊一個係個 reasons why make domestic herding in Sahel unsustainable 啦。咁啊點解 unsustainable 啊？第一樣嘢就 population growth 啦，咁呢個啱啊，因為 population growth 嗱你 DBQ 咧就要唔可以齋咁樣 up 啦，你要識 up 到嗰啲嘢啦，例如係 population growth， 然之後咧就會導致咩啊 ？increasing of the food demand 咯，係咪？咁 increasing of food demand 就有機會導致咩啊？就係譬如話 over cultivation 啊，overgrazing 啊，係嘛？咁跟住之後咧 overgrazing 之後咁咪會點啊？咁咧 overgrazing 之後咪會有叫做 trampling 咯。咁 trampling soil 就會點樣啊？OK， 自己講落去啦 ，compaction 啊，erosion 啊，然之後 desertification 啊，最後咧咪 decreasing 個 carrying capacity of land 啊，又或者decrease productivity 嗱呢啲咁嘅字要噏落去嘅，咁你要知道 DBQ 要咁樣温啦。跟住之後咧，第二個 frequent extreme weather 咁呢個啱啊，而家又近年 global warming 之下咧。咁你要知道喺 global warming 之下咧 ，Sahel 呢個地方應該越嚟越熱㗎啦，because it is in actually 係一個近熱帶 tropics 嘅位置㗎嘛，咁所以變相佢應該會越嚟越熱㗎，咁所以 which is extreme weather 會越嚟越多啦，咁呢個係 global warming C7嘅 concept 嚟㗎嘛 ，OK， 咁所以變相你就會導致 nomadic herding unsustainable 咯，因為變相就會佢導致佢更加唔可以 rely on 自然嘅方法，令到佢有 sufficient 嘅 crop 嘅一個 output，OK，咁第三個 political unrest 呢個都係啱，亦都係符合 Sahel 嘅情況嘅。咁你一打仗啲農作物就會整壞晒㗎啦，咁變相就 unsustainable 咯。咁所以變相三個都係啦，但我就 D 咯。OK， 唔係好難，但係你要從中去帶出 DBQ 點樣答嘅呢個 concept 係重要嘅。